Okay, folks, this is the current inventory, October 2018. Kind of just walk through here. First gen Barracudas. Just got those in. '57, '58 Fords. Couple two-door posts. Pretty cool wagon, no one's bought yet. 52, 53, 54 Fords, Courier, Merc. It's good parts cars. Let me know what you need for parts. Might have it. Early '60 Ford parts cars, demo cars, whatever you want. Got some grain trucks in, 59 Ford over there, 61 Chevy, some Model A's. '28, '29s, T Coupe, 3031, cab over, awesome 37 International. Cheech and Chong van, Shorty. These are the double stack parts car row. Buick, 64 Comet, 59 Ford parts cars, 63 Olds's, or Pontiac, 57 Belvedere parts car, 54 Buick parts car. '41 Hudson parts car, 4950 parts car, Chevys, Dart and Lancer, T-Bird with the back seat, just parts, 57 pickups, Mercury two-door hardtop, 64 Fairlane, shoebox parts cars. Let me know if you need any shoebox stuff. 56 Merc parts car, 68 Saab. I got a lot of 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54 Chevy parts cars. Plymouth, 41 Ford. Chevy Coupe, little race car, project car. A lot of parts motors. A lot of these motors are junk, just good brackets and heads, exhaust manifolds, that kind of stuff. About everything, Mopar, Ford, Chevy. More parts motors if you need anything. Accessories, brackets, some parts. Got some heavy angle steel if you need it. I got a lot of separate parts, a lot of good fenders, doors, hoods, bumpers from cars I've stripped out. Trunk lids, tailgates. A lot of good fenders, 40 Ford fenders. $39.40 Ford fenders. Truck doors. '31 titled Model A, dashes, pickup box trailers, cabs. Some Mopars. Good parts cars. Some more Mopar. This whole line's late 50s, early 50s Mopars. Or late 40s, early 50s. A lot of good chrome. '63, '64 Olds. Lots of 55 Fords. I kind of collect those for some reason. The someday projects that will never happen. Wagons, sedan deliveries. I would sell parts if you guys need something off those. I usually don't They seem to follow me home. Motorhome chassis for your COE build, 454. Just got a 1560 Ford grain truck in, 60,000 miles. Another motorhome with a good 440 in it. Studebakers. This is my Studebaker corner. Some Larks. Good parts cars. No 289s. Lark wagon. 54, 55. Bullet nose stuff. Some newer stuff I'd rather not have. Dumb dog. Really clean 52 hardtop if anybody needs one, no title. 49 Lincoln. Some killer 50 Buicks. Got a hardtop, a good parts car with the front end. Even got a Kaiser. Hudson. Packard. Pair of 64 hard tops I let go, pretty reasonable. 57 Merc. 52. 58 Chromobile. One dumb Beagle. A lot of good grain truck cabs. Some really good Studebaker cabs. Early 60 Ford cabs, good shape. '55 Caddy with title. 63 Impala. 64 Impala SS. Bucket seat console car. Working on the title now. Pretty rusty, but it's be a good parts car. Here's some of my personal cars. They're for sale for the right money. 73 Trino, 79 Bronco, 57 Chevy, 77 Cougar, accelerator pumps going out, 59 Ford. Should be. That's pretty much it. Came full circle. Here's some rat rod truck bedsides I cut out. There you have it.